In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Power BI. By the end, you'll have a secure connection from your Airtable base into Power BI using the web connector. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, do that now. In the top right corner, open your profile menu and head to the Builder Hub. From there, open the Personal Access Tokens area. We're going to create a token that Power BI will use to read your Airtable data, so click Create Token. Give the token a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize what it's for later. Good naming helps you manage and rotate tokens without confusion. Next, add a scope. For this walkthrough, choose Add All Resources so the token can read the bases you have access to. If your organization prefers tighter control, you can alternatively scope it to specific bases and tables. But for a quick connection, adding all resources keeps things simple. When that's set, create the token. Copy it right away and keep it somewhere secure, like a password manager. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly and be ready to revoke it if needed. Now switch over to Power BI Desktop. On the home ribbon, click Get Data, then select Web. In the Web Connector window, choose Advanced so you can provide the full request. In the URL parts box, enter the Airtable REST API endpoint for the table you want to bring into Power BI. You can find the exact endpoint for your base and table in Airtable's API documentation. It typically points to your base and a specific table, and you can optionally include query parameters to limit fields or filter records. Keeping this URL precise helps reduce load and makes refreshes faster. Click OK. Power BI may prompt you to authenticate. When it does, follow the on-screen steps and use the personal access token you just created, making sure you enter it securely. After authentication, Power BI will connect to Airtable and display a preview of your data. Review that preview to confirm the fields look right and the records are what you expect. At this point, your connection is established and you can proceed to load the data into your report. Keep your token safe, and if you ever change your Airtable permissions or retire the token, remember to update your Power BI connection accordingly. That's the complete process from creating a secure Airtable token to connecting it through the web connector in Power BI.